First, we survey the land. We measure every distance. High in the sky, a drone helps too.
Engineers study the big blueprints.
And we mark where the house will go.
Clickety-clack, let's clear the track. Mighty bulldozer is pushing back. Dump trucks haul the big rocks away, making space to build and play.
Wow, look at that giant excavator go!
Everything looks perfect here.
Time to load up the big dump truck. Wow, look at that big excavator go! Fill up the truck with dirt. Ready to pour the concrete? Good job, team!
Look at that big road roller go! The tiny engineers are checking the ground.
Wow, look at that giant crane lifting the heavy steel bars. Click, clamp, and twist to make the foundation super strong.
Yay! Here comes the wet concrete! Let's smooth it all out!
Look at the water spraying all over. It helps the concrete grow strong. The crane's big hook is ready for action. Our foundation is perfect. Great job, team! Here comes the forklift delivering a fresh stack of bright red bricks. The crane lifts them high into the air. Every machine works together on this busy site. Wow, look at that giant crane! It lifts the heavy frames right into place. Perfect alignment makes a perfect building! Look up! The giant crane is lifting steel beams. Move it up, clear for landing.
Steady now, slowly does it.
Mr. Crane lifts the heavy wooden trusses. Our friendly carpenters guide them into place. Giant roof panels down, ready to secure the whole roof.
Let's pull the colorful wires through.
Great job! The lights are working.
Let's install the water pipes. Cut it smooth and make it fit. Weld the joints to keep them tight. Big drains go in with a click. Now the water's ready. Let's make these walls smooth and strong. Wow, look at that bright red. Wow, look at that bright red. Let's lay the shiny new floor. The forklift brings the wood. Now add the kitchen sink.